na sana ne ho na Attorney General Chokrata de koma yoku mona mode asem no koma na mona mode asem koma Attorney General.
As far as my memory serves me right, every private citizen be able to make a petition. They say the company grade me petitioning about certain high officers. Say, Mami get to kono say me private citizens na the petition ko. And the as and when timamuni bia feel say o wa dance here when you na so say anything. Obeti my petition the Attorney General.
Okay. For
onward investigation to bring clarity to the matter.
Okay.
And I think say one of those incidents nasi timamfo used to say a national organizer or Joseph Yamin or Galamsey third vice chairman or Bangal Hassan Galamsey Attorney General Jasemino for in the interest of national accountability and transparency, you know. I see you can hear
okay.
And media, let's leave it to the investigative bodies. I've read a number of publications. Your national organizer, Akansi Sudu, say only concession, only minor, only involved in any mining activity. And then the onus now lies on the burden of proof lies on whoever is giving that petition, no, to produce evidence contrary to the national organizer.
Okay.
Or to me, the dance here bar as a national organizer or can be before front actually. One to me, I'm for dance here, ma as a national organizer, no who signs a broad or say a man or two so now or some party. Or Sebi Ubu and then said the Ghana for you know. Rabanga Adjetum say he has a concession. Even part of it has been taken. The one or did this one or a legit business. Minerals Commission and Kratani Adio. Yeah, again, the burden of proof lies on the petitioner. Or the 87.9 Ebekona or Motimi Ape Asaman Kumasibre. Mimi interest and I say my prayer home one time here. My prayer home kase asem no nipa ne de ba na no kre ananya no kre.
Okay.
So metena ha kase the idea to me boss Yamin so nyina no kre a I've not been fair to him. Metena ha kase the idea to me boss Yamin nyina so nya no kre a I've not been fair to the petitioner. Ebeba o china bi obi kura hunu bibi a ekoso a nya kukudrum ma me bompeni mfo amade but what I say nti ye ma hwehwemu no mu no and guide you na your conversation hwehwemu no si na se obi aye bone a lessons will be learned hwehwemu no si na obi anya bone a and also lessons will be learned
I see
ye koye nim na ya
but ministry no mo
interestingly we should tell the people of Ghana say this is a different government government and the second no for no nka anura bia nka ye de be se carpet ase se no kure se nya no kure nka ye de be se carpet ase se se de amanfo bi de da so se carpet
wa ba amanfo so hu ni se ewu na be ya na kuku ansoso a masosa nkosi hwe
so ekodu na se nipa no de adanse e ba se adanse no ni na Attorney General se me mfa nya adwuma despite adanse no say all that was say the parliament in the dance na Bremons and Drevo. Yes,
ye beje na ya trim.
Into one fans and Drevo for Drevo. Like I said, one way I can say me that will preempt your friend's investigation. But I am saying say this signal Ghana for you now. So buy out this one second of fun. It doesn't cut only former appointees. It's a home being here yes so you know.
But